Sketchers! Welcome to this exciting episode of our platformer series. In this episode, we will cover such deadly spikes. As you can see here, the spikes will be red, but it doesn't actually matter. But even very deadly! But before we begin, if the area looks different in Scratch, it's because that I am using the Scratch add-ons extensions. I think I'll make a video about that. So save your projects as a new copy from episode 3 and rename it to be, episode 4! But before we begin this deadly spike thing, I want to store some numbers in a custom block. So, make a new custom block and name it Begin Scene. A input Scene. Add a label X. A matching input X. Another label Y. And again a matching input Y. Tick the row without screen to refresh and click OK. So put this custom block in some free space and then remove the set scene hash to one block from the flag script and take it to the custom block and enter the value as the scene input variable. Then the go to block. Put it to the begin scene block and enter the X position as the X input and the Y position as the Y input. Pop in a new begin scene block at the beginning of the project. Enter the scene value as 1, the X position as -150. Wait, what was the Y position? Oh, 50. Enter the Y position as 50. Let's test it to make sure nothing has went wrong. And you know what? Delete this ceiling from scene 1 and 2. Okay, so let's duplicate the level sprite and rename it to be Danger. This is the spikes. Yay! So, draw the spikes in your level. Now, add these lines of code at the bottom of the tick last script. If touching danger, then broadcast a new message named Lose Life. Now, when I receive Lose Life outside of the event, now you can make the death animation as much as you like, whatever you like, but I choose it to be a fade-in effect. So, repeat 10 times, change ghost effect by 10, and add a new broadcast at the end and name it to be Start Game. construct when green flag clicked, broadcast start game. So in the level sprites, surround the switch costume to blah 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 block in the change scene receiver with a forever loop. So let's test it. Oh, I forgot to add a clear graphic effects block in the player sprite, so add it now. And replace the when flag clicked block in the level sprite with when I receive start game. Wait, why did the spike get stuck? Oh my god, we have a bug again. How can we fix this at all? Okay, then let me try playing again and again. No, that isn't the thing either. I get it. Add a forever loop within the switch costume blocks in the danger sprite. Yeah, change scene receiver. Now test it, and there you go, bug squashed. Hey guys, that is the it for this video, but don't even forget to press that subscribe button because we spend a lot of time editing these videos. Press the like button and that subscribe button. And also, if you are following these platformer series, just submit your projects to the studio. Link in the description down below. Just do these things with these fingers. See you next time. Bye.